Bratislava, Slovakia today, and we are about to start a free walking tour, which I always like to do whenever I go to a new country. It gives you a little bit of a sense of the city, lets you know where most of the main things are, and then you can sort of orient yourself from there. So we're going on a free walking tour right now, and it'll last about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and I'll get to know a little bit about the city.
Звикли себе відкелс. Є beginning 2000
Just behind me you can see the famous UFO Bridge. It's a bit controversial here in Bratislava. It was built by the communists kind of as a symbol of their everlasting empire, and it's one of the monuments that's remained. People here either love it or hate it. The reason that it is so controversial is not just because some people consider it ugly, but also because of what it took to build it. And it's built on a bridge, and to build it they had to actually destroy a lot of Jewish homes. So that is kind of a blight on the history. Bratislava is that it's not a very busy city. I think most people opt to go to Budapest, Prague, or Vienna, when I really think they should come here. Absolutely perfect day here in Bratislava to do a city tour. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you did too. Behind me is St. Martin's Church, also known as Coronation Church. Apparently there is about 8 kilograms of gold at the top. Now, I'm not sure if that's true or not, but probably no one's ever going up there to find out. But as you can see, there is a crown at the top of the church. One of the things that you'll notice about Bratislava is that it's a fairly cheap city. Beer is really cheap, coffee is really cheap, food is really cheap, except inside the old city walls. So if you really want to get something a little more inexpensive, then I would suggest taking your time and getting outside the city walls and some of the restaurants and pubs around there. Obviously the inside of the city walls is a little more touristy, so people can feel that they can charge a lot more to eat and drink. So get outside those city walls and you will be able to save a lot of money. So I'm at a place called Urban House, and they have a selection of pizzas, lots of stuff with meat in it, which you know I don't eat, and apparently they have some pretty good beer here too, so I'm going to try one of their or ales, I think. It's a little hoppier, what I like. And come and have lunch on a patio in the old town. I'm going to order a margarita pizza, and I'm going to have a lager beer. It's a craft beer, and they assure me that they have 5 craft beers that are local, so I'm going to try that. Oh yes, thank you very much. The man knows me. He brought me some hot sauce.
It's my really favorite one. It's a little bit strong for somebody, but just the taste is
Oh, not me.
right, yeah. But there's a Trinidad Morga, which is second hottest.
Yeah, I eat a lot of hot sauce.
Okay.
Let's see how this tastes. Oh my God, that's good. If you really like this video, please press the like button down at the bottom there. And if you want to subscribe to our videos, press the subscribe button. And if you want to get notified every time we do a new video, click that little bell, and that will give you a notification every time we upload something new. Thanks for watching. It can be a little difficult to do a vlog when you're on a tour. I don't even know where my group is right now. I'm hoping I'll run into them a little farther up the road here.